guys, it's your girl Jam and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Nothing too crazy. I was just feeling bored and I was like, why not record a video on a updated eyebrow tutorial, and then I'm also going to be doing like a full face like soft glam tutorial. It's going to be more like a natural glam actually, because I don't want heavy makeup. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve that no makeup look that just looks refreshing. Like obviously it looks like you're wearing a little bit of makeup, but it's not cakey or heavy. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. Please let me know if you guys would like a skincare routine. If you guys have been following my socials or anything like that, you would know like my skin journey is crazy. My skin has come a really long way, and I think I may do a video on it anyways. So yeah, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just enjoy the vibes. So I just went and kind of put all the products that I'll be using on the table. So I'm going to start off with the brows, because as I said, this will be kind of like a 2-in-1. So I'm going to be cutting the videos into two. One will just be an eyebrow tutorial, and then the other one will obviously be like a full face of makeup, soft glam, neutral glam, whatever, natural glam. So I'm going to go right in. So I'm going to be doing the like spiky, wispy like brows today. I've been really feeling that look recently, so I want to kind of show you guys how I achieve that look. So I actually go in first with the Got To Be styling gel. It is clear, dries clear. Obviously you can get a little like tacky looking if you use too much, so don't like overdo it, but there are other products you could use instead of like a hair gel. I just really like the hold on this, so I prefer to use this, and this is what I use on my wig, so I happen to have it like handy. But I know Benefit Cosmetics also has like a really good one. Anastasia, like certain brands, so you could check those out too. And I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm gonna take my spoolie if I could get it out. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead, open this. This is like my eyebrow spoolie, so it's a little tough because the gel just dries on there. So I'm gonna take some. You don't need a lot. Like literally, you can't even see how much I put on there because you really don't need that much. And I'm literally gonna just go ahead and comb my eyebrows up. And you want to do this before you fill in your eyebrows, because of course if you do it afterwards, then you're gonna just smudge out whatever product you actually used to like fill in your brows, and that just wouldn't even work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more. See how it's like kind of looking white? Because I put a little too much on this side. So I'm gonna just take my hand on my finger and just wipe it off a little bit, just so it's not so much, because you don't want it to look thick, like you have stuff in your brows. You don't want that. Now I'm gonna take my little fan and I'm gonna just go ahead and dry it as I comb upward. Your brows should look like. So I'm gonna just put this to the side. And then one other thing too, guys, please read the label, like on the back. You want to make sure the ingredients are safe for you. If you feel like you may have an allergic reaction, if you've ever used it in your hair and you have an allergic reaction, please don't use it. As I said, there are other products that you can use that are actually makeup products. I just personally prefer this one, so don't go buying this and then having an allergic reaction and being like, oh my god. Just read. Okay. Yeah. So after that, you could see like, ooh, I'm sorry, I'm just like so hypnotized by my skin right now. It just looks so good to me. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my NYX, what's this called? Lift and Snatch. NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. This shit is amazing, you guys. If you want those natural wispy looking brows, this is the product to use. And I'm telling you, it's friggin' amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I just give it a little shake. You can hear like the thing moving around in there because I want to make sure the ink comes out real nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do upward light strokes. Okay, I'm gonna fill it out. I'm gonna go ahead here because I realize this area is a little more sparse and along the end. So I'm gonna go ahead just like so. I hope you guys can see. I'll zoom in. Trying to do it in a spot that you guys are able to see. And you guys, I use a lot of products on my skin, so keep that in mind too. Like, I use a lot of skincare. My skin is greasy, so it may not go on exactly how I want sometimes, only because my skin is too greasy. Sometimes I have to kind of like wipe it off because it's just a shea butter, I'm telling y'all. Yep, so just like that. I'm gonna go ahead. For me, I really don't like how like the front of my brows here, it doesn't go down as deep as I want. It's kind of just like straight. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take the pen and I'm gonna just add a few short strokes like at the very bottom here. Okay, just like that. Like, see, that makes all the difference. Like, you can really see the difference between these two brows. And I barely did anything. Like, that's literally all you need to do to achieve these like natural wispy brows. And you really could end it there. Like, if you're really going for like a really natural look, you don't even have to go ahead and like clean it with concealer or anything like that. You could really just leave it like this and call it a day. But you know, your girl trying to have her brows looking a little bit snatched, so I am gonna go in after and conceal, but that's totally your choice. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the next side now. And this side has more hairs than the other side, to be honest, so I always do a little bit less because I don't want it to look too crazy, because essentially I just want them to match, right? So I'm gonna go. So as you can see, very light feathery strokes. Okay, and don't be afraid to like come back a little bit and see how it's looking, because it's always better to like underdo it than overdo it, because you can always add more product, but it's harder to take product off if you do too much. Less is more sometimes. You guys, I really should have put a bra on under this shirt because I'm so afraid my boob will just pop out the bottom. Anyways, yeah. So let me just go ahead. And that's it. Very natural, very simple. Some days I really just do this alone. I don't even put on makeup because I just want to keep it natural. And when I'm having a really good skin day, I just want to let my skin breathe and just not do too much. This and lashes and lip gloss, like that's like perfect. And maybe a little bit of concealer. That's all you really need some days. Like, less is more. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up under my brows. This is for those who actually want to achieve that like snatched underbrow look. I'm gonna go ahead with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 420 or Cocoa. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Not a lot, because this shade is a little bit lighter than me, just a little bit. But I've been really feeling that like brown girl friendly makeup, like not too much, you know, like really enhancing the chocolatiness. So that's the look I'm going for, you guys. I don't want it to be looking too light or anything like that. Just really embracing my complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and I'm gonna just go right under and clean up that brow. Go a little slow. And please take your time, because even sometimes I find myself going a little too fast and then I make a little mistake and then I have to go back and fix it. So take your time. Okay. And you know the thing I like about this brow pen too is like once I clean it up, like if I feel like there's certain spots that I want to go back and add more, I can do that. And it won't be getting in my concealer or anything like that. So I really like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my brush and blend it out. Just like so. So essentially this would be the look you get, okay? So that's how it's looking after I go ahead and clean it up. I'm already seeing that this one goes a little bit lower, as I said, because you know this brow's a little shorter than this brow. But that's okay. It will last a while. Great. Okay. So this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna close that. I may revisit this later for a little bit of concealer under the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take my, see, I'm telling y'all, this reach-in, oh my gosh, my shirt. Hold on, I gotta go put on a bra. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so I just went and put on a bralette. Because listen, I am not having no nip slip on camera. Anyways, so as I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush. And this is the Makeup Forever brush. I got this when I did my makeup course. I can't remember exactly what like brush this was. I see a 242 on here, but honestly it's so old. I want to say it's a shadow brush. It's multi-purpose. I use it to blend my concealer out. I use it for my outer crease. There's just many different functions for it, but I can't remember the exact name of the brush. But I'm gonna just take that and blend out the concealer. I will find the name of this brush and insert it right here. There you go. So you can purchase it if you want to. It's so good. I definitely recommend having a brush like this in your kit, or a few brushes like this in your kit actually, because I'm telling you, you could use it for so many things. It is so soft. The bristles do not fall out. I've had this brush now for like 2 years going on, and it's really been great. I've never had any issues with it. Okay, so blend it out just like so. And you really could like stop your look there and just keep it as that. Just like having snatched brows and some nice skincare, and add your lip gloss or whatever, some mascara, and you could call it a day. But you know, as I said, your girl wants to give y'all a nice, simple, everyday makeup look that is beginner friendly. I am working at Sephora now. I know I haven't told you guys that. I'll do a story time on that all together. And honestly, it's been amazing. I love it so much. I work at the Eaton Center, and I'm telling you, I'm learning so much there, you guys. Any like makeup fanatics, anyone into makeup, I definitely recommend a job like that at least once throughout your makeup career, because it can teach you so much, and it's just amazing. And even just about products, I'm learning so much about products. I'm getting so much more into skincare, and I just loved it. So I'm gonna stop brush there. So as you can see, I've blended out my my underbrow concealer, and it's just giving snatch. It's giving skin. So I'm gonna end this brow tutorial here, because this is all you need some days. When you're not trying to do the most, this is literally it, you guys. This is all you need. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as check out my other video, which I'll be filming right after this one, which is a full face natural glam. So yeah. Me.